Hi there, I'm Katie, the founder of One Room Education and the author of the new upcoming book, The Heal Core Way, a family guide to raising free thinkers in a noisy world. I wrote The Heal Core Way because I've been exactly where you probably are right now, wondering if there's a better way to raise and educate your kids, one that might actually line up with your values and life at the same time. So this book is a little bit unique in its formatting and style, as are most things that I work on. It's not just a book that you sit down and read and it tells you what to do. It's actually written as a two-way conversation between you and me. It's part guide, part workbook, but a lot of heart-to-heart between me and you over a cup of coffee or tea, whichever you actually prefer. It's designed for you to read, reflect, and then respond as you go. That creates the two-way conversation between us, and I'm just helping you build your Heal Core lifestyle one step at a time. This isn't about rules or rigid systems. It's about asking better questions, connecting the dots, and finding what actually fits you and your family. If that sounds like something you need or want in your life, go ahead and join the waitlist below. I'll send you updates, sneaky peeks, and some extras as we get closer to the official launch of the Heal Core Way. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the inside.